to my lip gloss collection. Look at this. Look at this. How many lip glosses do you have? Okay, because in my collection, this is 70 tubes, okay? I was cleaning out my makeup vanity, and I'm like, really? How many people have this many tubes of lip gloss? Because I'm getting rid of some. Some are maybe like a year or two old, but I'm always with the lip glosses. So, hi everyone. Hmm. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see those pictures? Who has 70 tubes of lip gloss? So I do. I don't know how many do you have, but like I said, I was cleaning out, my makeup vanity, and I'm like, I have to get rid of some of these. It's not so much get rid of them because I don't like them, but because, they may be a year up to 2 years, and maybe 3 years old. So I was like, let me do a video on this because seriously, 70, but of course, if you watch any of my videos, like I said, when I first started out with makeup, the lipsticks, the lip glosses, those are my thing. It still is. That's why I have all these tubes. And we don't want to go into the lipstick because I have more than 70 tubes of lipstick versus my lip gloss. But, some of my favorites are, the LA colors because, 70 tubes and I buy just one person. They're by LA. They're by Nickak. I have a L'Oreal. I have AOAs, from their site and carrying on. But these, I did these. Like I said, these, they stay in my purse. But we're going to get to that later. But these right here, these lip glosses, these are from AOA Collection. You can see that. But they are pretty. These are the shimmery ones, from the Miss A haul, but they're AOA. But the little blues, they're pretty. They're just sparkly. I mean, this blue one, you can see that. That is just cute. I have the white, like crystal. That one's also pretty too. They come up looking so cute. I keep a lot of these in my, don't laugh, in my bag, just in case I run out the door and I don't have any lipstick. I always have my go-to lip glosses. This is a green, like a mermaid color. And we have the gold, which you will find all golds look different. They're not all the same, but they're just as cute. And my purple, you can see that's like, I'm not gonna say almost on, but I put that one on as well. I mean, some of these lip glosses, they are, they go good over like your matte lipsticks and everything. This one is, I have the NYX, their collection. I have a good bit of those. This is a brown color one, like a brown copper. I don't know if you can see that. But these are just great. Like I said, so much my biggest collection is, but LA Colors, I've been using their product for so long. I probably have more of their glosses than a little. This is another like a bronze type. And you have more of a peachy color. Okay, the peachy color. It is so cute. Like I said, I have a whole lot of lip glosses. These are some of the colors. They're lip gloss. I mean, you can just daily find any color of lip gloss just as well as the lipstick. You find the lip glosses in the same colors as the lipstick. They just, they're lip glosses. They have like a little pigmented shine and things like that. But I just wanted to stop through to, have a laugh today about how many, lip glosses I have, because this is my little bag that lipsticks, my bestie. Lipstick is my bestie. I have all my lip glosses in here. Okay. I threw them back in here, and that said 70. So, of course, it's going to be less than 70 when I finish cleaning it out. But this bag right here, actually, it's dropped in my purse, every day. It goes with me. I go out the door, it goes with me, in my purse and everything. So, I just want to say happy lip gloss day. And how many lip glosses do you have? Okay, so, I hope this was fun for you, because it was fun for me. I'm going to get here and, get to separating what I'm going to keep and, what I'm going to throw away, because I don't know if you're anything like me. For me, you can't just keep lip glosses, or lipsticks, or, makeup period for, a number of years. If you bought something in 2016, this is 2019, I'm going to say you shouldn't have it. Okay, you should have replaced it by now. So, happy decluttering your makeup, and thank you for watching. And of course, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so you won't miss a thing. And I know you're looking at this. Isn't this gorgeous? This unit right here, it'll be up. It'll be up this week. It will be up this week, because this, isn't this banging? This is just gorgeous. But thank you for watching, and I hope you're having a great Sunday, because my Sunday is filled with cleaning out my makeup vanity. Mwah! Bye, everyone.